So if you ever have a product that comes back defective or it has an issue and you need to send it back, it's called a Flawsome. That's what we call it, I guess. But to submit a Flawsome or a defective item to headquarters, all you would do is you would go to your account and you would click on My Orders. You'll want to know exactly what order it came from, and you'll need to make sure that you take a picture of it. So any order that is still within qualifications for an unwearable form will show this unwearable form button along with it. You have 21 days to issue an unwearable form for a specific order or item. So if you can still submit one, you'll see the button. If you can't, if it's with or outside the 21 days, you won't see the button. So you'll find the order, you'll click the unwearable, and then you can read this. It basically is our unwearable policy. I think you can submit, and this may change, but currently it's like up to $500 in wholesale a year. It gives you the qualifications, all of that. So you can read that if you want more details on that. But this is all of the stuff that was in that order. You would just find it, click Unwearable, and then this is where you would fill out the information for the specific product, why, explanation, and then you would upload a picture. You don't have to upload multiple. I mean, I just upload one. But anyways, you submit an unwearable form, and then it would give you a confirmation, and you would also receive one in your email. Do I have one in my email right now? Once they process it, this is what it'll look like in your email. Agnes and Dora unwearable form, and then they would process it. So you'll get two emails. One says it's processed, and one is the return label for it. The other way, this is how you will do returns, or this is how you will submit the unwearable form. If, however, it is outside the 21 days, or sometimes they will have recalls, you will get a specific link that you will click on to submit that information there. If this does not fall within the 21 days, you can, if it's, they sometimes make an exception. So if you want, you can email them at returns@agnesanddora.com. Let me see what it is. returns@agnesanddora.com. So if you have any questions outside of the 21 days, you can sure ask them and see, and sometimes they make exceptions. Otherwise, it's 21 days. You go to your orders, you find the order, you submit the unwearable form by clicking on the link, and then you add the picture and the details, and then you will get the confirmation at the end. And it depends on how long it takes. They're usually pretty quick. I probably got that processed return within about a week or two. And then I send it back, and so it takes about 2 probably or 3 weeks before the whole thing is said and done. And that could change over time. It could be sped up by increasing staff because we are a growing company, and I don't know, it could take longer as we grow as a company. So, but that as of now is how long it takes.